In this video, we will introduce the Vive Manager app. Vive Manager allows you to manage your Vive Focus 3 devices from your phone. Download and install the app from Google Play Store or Apple App Store. You can set up Vive Focus 3. The app will walk you through the setup process. Start by pairing your phone with the headset. When the app shows the pairing code, put on the headset. Then, press the headset button when you see the same code displayed. Now take off the headset. When the app shows pairing is successful, continue setting up Wi-Fi and pairing your controllers. Put the headset back on and finish the remaining setup, which includes setting the volume, IPD, and play area. When done, your headset is all set. It's already signed into your HTC account, connected to Wi-Fi, and ready for use. You can also set up multiple Vive Focus 3 devices using Vive Manager. Just tap Settings, pair each of the headset, and complete their setup. System updates for each headset can be installed. Here's how. Tap Settings, and then select the headset you want to update. Install the latest system update, if there's one available. In Settings, you can also check the battery level of your headset and controllers. Change headset language. And even do a factory reset of your headset. What's more, you can browse through VR titles in our Vive Business App Store before purchasing. You can also see the VR titles that are already installed as well as titles that are ready for download in the library. Managing your Vive Focus 3 devices is that easy with Vive Manager.